in the abyss underneath the restaurant where it's all icky, sticky. Let's make sure there's no burnt ends. I'm gonna also make sure there's no voltage. Capacitor is swollen. Okay, so that one's fixed, it's cooling, and this call is done. So I think the main issue was it was tripping, because when if it doesn't trip instant, it's not a short to ground. So it could either trip when the compressor kicks on, but this contactor was pulled in the whole time, and with the delay of trip means that compressor's kicking on, but not having enough strength to turn over from lock rotor amps because the capacitor is so weak. So replace that capacitor, everything kicked on, running good. Startup amps was fine. You're good to go.